What's up, you guys? I'm back. I just got back from school. It was raining like crap. No joke, raining like crap. Might look like it took a shower, but I didn't. It was the rain, so yeah, I'll be making videos every day. They're not going to be long. Well, one might be long. And like I said in the morning video, which was this morning, go tell me how to press the red button when you're making a video, so I can do that without me touching it. So can't see my hand. Hey, okay. So please subscribe, like if you like this video, and yeah. So peace.